stand on our work, and it's all about honesty and values. Every single job's important. The quality's got to be the same. We know how tough they're having it, and that's why it's trying to help people out. As a 30-year anniversary, it's a milestone, and we're going to keep giving back to our customers.
We're a big family company, and we want to make sure that family feeling is extended onto our employees. It's always good to see staff achieve and progress. Volksmaster evolved in expansion. More staff, more capabilities, and the same confidence. In relation to the core values in the company, we're here for the customers day in, day out.
When we looked into the industry a while back and we're going, where's the chinks, where's the cracks? We looked at our systems, looked at where we improve. We're pretty sure that every time Volksmaster Group puts our hand to something, they're going to be delivered a top-notch service.